Hey guys, I'm back in Melbourne right now, and it's a rainy Sunday, springtime here in Melbourne. Just was asleep the whole morning. Yesterday, as soon as we arrived, the next day I was shooting a wedding at around 6:30 a.m. It was so early, had to rock up, and then it was a long wedding, so it's like 6:30 to 11:30. Anyway, it was fun shooting, and yeah, I'm glad to be back now. Thing is, it's my lazy day today, and I've started editing the videos for the Queenstown trip that we have. I was planning to upload this trip after I have uploaded the first one, but might take me ages. So I'm gonna start uploading what happened last week, last 10 days. We were there for 10 days. We just had 2 days staycation. We just chilled at home and did nothing, not a lot of traveling and everything else. We just rested because the trip was supposed to be a resting holiday, but we can't stop ourselves. My watch just anyway. Yeah, it's supposed to be a resting holiday, but it happened. What happened was we really love adventure, really love traveling, really love going to places where not much people has been. Well, yeah, and we love to explore, so we explored whatever we can find in our way. It was a lot of driving, but I love driving, so it doesn't matter. Anyway, so I'll be uploading in the next few days this vlog regarding Queenstown. It's not the best. I was not in the mood of vlogging because I just wanted to rest and relax, and I wanted to take a lot of photos. Mainly use the RX 100 for it, and then I used the A7 III, and I did a lot of photos. It was fun. So here's the vlog. Check it out. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed yet, you can subscribe to my videos on YouTube. You can send me a message, send me likes. Yeah, I really love that. Anyway, yeah, just check it out. Yeah, I think, yeah. I didn't have a script for this one, so I was like blabbering, and I look like shit. I just got up. Yeah. By the way, we're heading to New Zealand now, and yeah, the thing is, I'm at the airport. I'm here early because I don't want to stress out. So yeah, I'm just using my small camera now because it's easier. Yeah. Anyway, let's go to New Zealand. Yeah. In the airport now, and we're waiting for boarding for New Zealand. Currently we're getting a 6:15 a.m. flight, and yeah, my camera's in the back, so I'm using the RX now. No microphones, just the camera, and yeah, a bit sleepy. I haven't slept, and let's see how it goes. We're gonna be nauseous on the plane. Yeah, it's all good. Nakasakay first sa airplano. In English. First time to be in the airplane. So we'll be the first one to arrive in the airplane. Yeah. Why is it not focusing my face? Oh yeah, because of my glasses. So yeah, it's the first time that we're the first in the airplane. So we'll arrive first, but it's in the airplane only. Yes. it. That's it. Getting a rental car in a few. Just to chill. First, we go to the warehouse and look for stuff, look for supplies. Yeah, we're looking for supplies. We're not gonna. That's our housewares. We're gonna go there, look for supplies. Let's go. So yeah, we just got the rental car from Omega Rentals, and then yeah, we're getting some stuff for our 10-day journey. Yeah. Mukaon nga rin, like prawn cocktail, or diba, chicken yakitori, lamb mint, oh, mga sudan.
Spaghetti.
Oh, na spaghetti, bolognese. So, alin mo, pagkaon man eh, di mo ni siya chips. Get hungry, you can get a chicken yakitori, or spag sauce,
I don't want this.
prawn cocktail, spaghetti bolognese, chicken. So if you're hungry and you want to eat junk foods, you got everything here covered. It's down and I was running for the toilet. I had to pee. Yeah. New Zealand, Queenstown, Ferg Burger, Yummo. Yeah. There you go. They have a bakery too. So yeah, we're here at Ferg Burger, waiting for our burgers. We got a ribeye. Yeah. This here at Ferg Burger.
101, 102, 105.
Yep.
Do you want a bag now?
No. Thanks.
Then we got your own.
Thank you.
Good day. Bye-bye.
Yep. Ferg. Yeah. I gotta eat. So I took out the big guns because, yeah, I just want to check the place out. I want to fly here today, but it's so windy. So let's just check this out. I'm gonna climb the cliff and see what I can see. And just like that, my hands are freezing. Like the wind is baffling. Like you can hear the wind right now. Yeah. So the car's passing by there. Nice view. I can see the ice parts there. Yeah, I see. So yeah, I decided to check out the view here while I was sitting in the car, and it's really windy. Like I can't fly a drone. No, my camera is close to flying. So yeah, we're entering our first hotel. No, our first accommodation for today, and there's a steep climb. So whoopsie, there it is, and it says La Cruz. There's a key. He's there, and it says La Cruz.
Bet kamay lagi kayo.
Yeah. Yep, so cold up here. Really cold. Late afternoons at 1 o'clock. Yep. Yeah, this place is lovely. I'm so excited to shoot the wedding this November. Yeah, 1 o'clock. Let's enjoy this.